Rosedene, community partnerships are an integral part of our ethos. Therefore, today we invited the residents over from Mount Vale Care Home to come and join us and the children for a baking activity. Intergenerational visits like the one we've done today with the residents are important to us as we expand our children's knowledge on community and the importance of our social aspect in that.
Today we have been baking with the children and the residents of Mount Vale. This teaches the children life skills that they do witness at home. They see parents cooking meals, baking cakes and whatnot. It's really important that they're able to do this to prepare them for the future.
Our children have built meaningful relationships with the residents of Mount Vale, and the residents love coming over to see our children. Some of the residents may not get very many visits, so therefore coming over to our nursery and having our children go to visit them means that they have something to look forward to, something as simple as once a week. It's really important for both the residents and our children here at Rosedene.